Think smarter, not harder. We're looking at NotebookLM from Google, but it feels like it was built by a startup. You've probably seen the audio overview features, but NotebookLM can do a lot more than this. This video will talk about the AI NotebookLM, how to use it, features to learn easily, and research any topic. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Powered, where we talk about AI, research, and random technology stuff. Before we start, remember to like and subscribe to get more information about the AI world. Today, we're diving into something that's really exciting in the world of AI and productivity tools, Google's latest innovation, NotebookLM. If you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn and stay organized, this tool might just change the way you handle information forever. What is NotebookLM? So what exactly is NotebookLM? It's Google's innovative approach to combining artificial intelligence with personal notebooks. Conventional note-taking applications, such as Evernote or OneNote, allow you to record thoughts, create lists, and organize files. In contrast, NotebookLM enhances this experience by utilizing a large language model, or LLM, to help users consolidate information, pose inquiries, and access material directly from their notes. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer amount of notes and documents you have? NotebookLM aims to solve that problem. With the growing demand for smarter note organization tools, it promises not just to store your notes, but also to help you make sense of your information in a more intuitive way. Imagine being able to input a question and instantly receiving the relevant information from your notes without having to sift through everything manually. That's the power of NotebookLM. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features that make NotebookLM unique and powerful. Number 1. AI-powered summarization. One of NotebookLM's most impressive features is its ability to summarize complex notes into easily digestible formats. Whether you're dealing with dense research papers, lengthy meeting notes, or lecture materials, NotebookLM can generate concise summaries that capture all the key points. Picture this: you just attended a 2-hour lecture or a lengthy meeting. Instead of spending hours reviewing your notes, you can simply ask NotebookLM to summarize them for you. This feature not only saves time, but also helps ensure that you retain the most important information. Number 2. Dynamic question answering. NotebookLM allows users to ask questions directly from their notes. Want to know the key argument in a specific research paper, or how 2 ideas from separate notes are related? Instead of searching manually, you can input your questions, and the AI will fetch the relevant information, providing clear answers based on the existing content in the notebook. Think about how many times you've struggled to remember a specific detail. With NotebookLM, that struggle is significantly reduced. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly where to find the information you need. Number 3. Cross-note integration. One of the most powerful aspects of NotebookLM is its ability to understand context across various notes. Unlike traditional note-taking apps, which often treat each note as an isolated piece of information, NotebookLM recognizes themes, patterns, and connections across all your saved material. Have you ever wondered how different concepts relate to each other? NotebookLM helps you see those relationships, which can lead to new insights and a deeper understanding of the subject matter. It's especially useful for students and researchers who need to draw connections between various sources of information. Number 4. Smart Note recommendations. As you take notes or import new documents, NotebookLM can recommend additional reading material or relevant data from your existing notes to enrich your current work. This feature acts as a personal knowledge assistant, helping you build upon previous information effortlessly. Imagine working on a research project and having the tool suggest articles or notes that are related to your topic. It's a fantastic way to deepen your understanding and expand your knowledge base without feeling overwhelmed. Number 5. Automated contextualization. For students and researchers, context is everything. When referencing a particular piece of data or idea, NotebookLM can pull up relevant background information, definitions, or related topics that give you a broader understanding of the subject. Ever found yourself confused about a term or concept? NotebookLM can provide clarifications right when you need them, allowing you to maintain focus while enhancing your knowledge on the topic at hand. Number 6. Personalized AI training. What's really fascinating about NotebookLM is that it learns from your individual note-taking style. Over time, it understands your preferences and unique methods of organizing information, refining its assistance to align with how you structure and access your notes. How great would it be to have a tool that adapts to your personal workflow? NotebookLM becomes increasingly tailored to your needs, making it feel more like a natural extension of your thought process. What can users do with NotebookLM? Now that we've covered some of the features, let's talk about how users can practically apply NotebookLM in their daily lives. Here are some transformative ways it can enhance your note-taking and information management experience. Boost learning efficiency. Students will particularly enjoy NotebookLM's ability to break down complex material into digestible pieces. When preparing for exams, it can highlight critical themes from textbooks or lecture notes, generating summaries that help you focus on essential topics. Can you imagine how much easier studying would be? Instead of feeling overwhelmed by your notes, you can feel confident knowing you have a tool that can highlight what's important. Supercharge research projects. For academics, professionals, and researchers dealing with large data sets or extensive research material, NotebookLM is a time saver. Instead of flipping through dozens of documents, you can quickly ask NotebookLM to surface relevant findings or connections between different research papers. How much time could that save you in your research? It makes it easier to draw conclusions or generate new ideas based on existing information. Streamline meetings and projects. For professionals, managing meeting notes and project documentation becomes seamless with NotebookLM. You can ask for a summary of meeting notes, identify action points, or retrieve specific information related to a project without wading through endless meeting minutes. Isn't that a game changer for productivity? It allows you to focus on what matters most, getting things done. Content creation and writing. Writers, journalists, and content creators can use NotebookLM to organize their research notes and articles. If you're drafting an article or story, you can ask NotebookLM for the most important data points or references from your notes. How many critical details have you missed in your writing? With NotebookLM, you'll have a reliable assistant to help ensure you never overlook important information. Assist in collaborative work. NotebookLM works well for teams or collaborative projects. When multiple people contribute notes, it can analyze inputs from various users and help synthesize the collective information into a coherent narrative. Have you ever struggled to integrate notes from different team members? NotebookLM simplifies this process, making it perfect for cross-functional teams working on joint reports or presentations. Comparisons to other note-taking tools. Now let's discuss how NotebookLM compares to other note-taking tools on the market. Traditional apps like Evernote and OneNote are great for basic note-taking, but they lack the advanced AI functionalities that NotebookLM offers. Have you ever wished your note-taking app was smarter? While apps like Notion offer excellent organizational flexibility, NotebookLM's key advantage lies in its AI-driven capabilities, like dynamic summarization and question answering. These features are unique to AI-integrated platforms, making NotebookLM a standout choice. In comparison to other AI-enhanced tools like Roam Research or Obsidian, NotebookLM focuses more on user accessibility and Google's powerful ecosystem. It's expected to become a go-to solution for Google Workspace users who want to take full advantage of integrated AI technology in their daily workflows. The future of NotebookLM. As NotebookLM continues to evolve, the possibilities for users will only grow. Google's deep expertise in AI development ensures that NotebookLM will become smarter and more efficient over time. What features do you hope to see in the future? Potential enhancements could include voice-to-note transcription, real-time collaboration tools, and even more sophisticated cross-platform integrations. NotebookLM is poised to become the tool of choice for individuals and organizations looking to transform how they manage, organize, and retrieve their information. With AI-backed innovation at its core, this product doesn't just improve note-taking, it redefines it. Real-world applications of NotebookLM. Now that we've covered its features and potential, let's explore some real-world applications of NotebookLM. Education. In education, NotebookLM can significantly enhance the learning experience for students. Imagine a high school student preparing for their final exams. Instead of drowning in a sea of notes, they can rely on NotebookLM to summarize chapters, answer questions about key concepts, and even recommend additional resources for deeper understanding. What if this technology had been available during your school years? It could have changed the way you studied and retained information. Corporate use. In the corporate world, professionals often juggle multiple projects and meetings. NotebookLM can help streamline workflows, from summarizing meeting notes to tracking project milestones. How many times have you struggled to remember what was discussed in a meeting? With NotebookLM, you can have accurate summaries and action points at your fingertips, allowing for better follow-up and accountability. Research and development. For researchers, the ability to pull insights from vast amounts of data is crucial. NotebookLM can assist in analyzing trends, drawing connections between research findings, and even generating hypotheses based on existing literature. Think about how it could accelerate innovation. Researchers can focus on analysis and experimentation rather than getting bogged down in data management. To wrap up, Google's NotebookLM represents a significant leap forward in personal knowledge management. With its AI-powered features like summarization, dynamic question answering, and cross-note integration, it offers users a powerful tool for enhancing productivity, learning, and collaboration. Are you excited about the potential of NotebookLM? I know I am. As we continue to explore the intersection of AI and everyday tasks, tools like NotebookLM will undoubtedly change how we interact with information. Thank you for joining me today to explore Google's NotebookLM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on AI and productivity tools. I'd love to hear your thoughts on NotebookLM in the comments below. How do you envision using this tool in your daily life? Let's discuss in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and harnessing the power of technology to make your life easier. Bye for now.